Hello everyone, I'm James. I've come from England. I've been in Changde for nearly 16 years, and my wife is Changderan and my son is Changderan, so that must mean that I am Changderan, because I can even speak a little bit of local Changde dialect. Let me try. Chidime, Chidime. Also, Dengiha, Dengiha.
Hold on. To be a real Changde local, you need to know the culture. For example, Lei Cha is part of the intangible cultural heritage here in Changde. Do you know how it's made?
Oh, to be honest, I don't know. No.
So here's your challenge.
Yes.
Complete 3 intangible cultural heritage tasks.
Okay.
If you put it off, I'll call you a true Changde local.
You're on. Okay, let's go. How to make Lei Cha?
我们准备5种原材料，
Yes.
就这里面有生米啊、生姜、生茶叶、芝麻、花生。一波擂茶的话要擂20-30分钟。
20 minutes. So hard work makes good Lei Cha.
对的，特别
哇
对。
Wow.
对
How to?
对，
What traditional food comes with Lei Cha?
我们这边大概有108种那种鸭桌小吃和鸭桌小菜。
Is there a new type of Lei Cha that we can try, that we can take out and drink as we go along?
对，你问的正好啊，就是我们这边的这个擂茶，目前进行了一个创新。对，就那个新中式擂茶，目前的话我们用的这个擂茶这个原材料啊，这个底子啊，用这个5种原材料擂好了之后，利用这个原材料进行2次创新，里面加茉莉啊。 加苹果啊，或者加柠檬啊这些，对，进行2次创新，对，让更多的这种年轻人去接受它。
So the first task is completed.
Great. Oh, what's that sound?
It's Changde string music.
Changde string music. Oh, that sounds interesting. Yeah. I love music. Is that the task 2?
Yeah, that is your task 2.
Oh.
Let's see what you've got.
尝遍四国，
好地方哟，一儿哟，一儿哟，
一二一二一二幺一哟。So what kind of people are singing Changde Sishen now?
在我们常德呀，无论是男女老少，都是会上那么1-2句的。我们常德思贤啊，还多次与海外进行文化交流。
So what did you think of my singing?
Oh, you passed your second task.
Wonderful, wonderful. Oh, well, I noticed that beautiful fan in your hand. What's that then?
This is a flex linen painting, and by inheritance, this is your 3rd task.
That's a 3rd test.
Yeah.
Come on then, let's go. What are the major differences in using the glue brush as opposed to just brushing on painting?
别的画种都是用笔蘸颜料去涂抹去画，那我们这个麻子画，它是用手捏出这个麻纤维，搓撒搓撒撒撒，一边搓一边撒，撒麻成画。
Also interested to know what are foreigners and tourists? What do they show most interest in with regards flax painting?
那我们麻子画在我们中国已经呈现了2000多年，它是很有特色、很有代表性的。它的表现的内容也是我们中国传统文化的一些元素。
How long would it take for me to become even a tiny bit as good as you? How long would it take someone to learn this skill?
没有绘画基础的人，他们来学麻子画其实也是很快的，很容易上手。但是要把一幅很好的作品，就是完美的呈现出来，它是需要时间去沉淀的。
How's my work? Do I pass?
Next work, you pass the 3rd task.
Oh, I passed the 3rd test.
So James, to really be a Changde local, you need more practice at home.
Yes, well today in Hejie I've tried 3 intangible cultural heritage practices. I think being a Changderan is actually quite difficult.
Yeah, exactly. That's why you have to come back often.
Oh, my pleasure.